Be devoted to one another in love, honor one another above yourselves. Romans chapter 12, verses 10. Hello, beautiful family. A very warm welcome back to the Lovystouch food channel. Thank you so much for coming back. It's been a long while. I know I've been in my new mom era, just enjoying the coziness and everything that comes with being a new mom. But I feel like I've missed you so much. How have you been? It's been such a long time and I miss you all so much. Please leave your answers in the comment section. Today's recipe is quite very easy. I'm going to be making Ghanaian chicken tomato stew with absolutely no oil. For a long time, there are a group of people here that have always been talking about the amount of oil we use in our Ghanaian cooking. And you know what? They're actually right. With this new recipe that I think you should try, especially the oil police out here. It is absolutely incredible. The taste is the same. It is, and it can be done under 45 to 30 minutes. It is just incredibly delicious. So please, if you are interested, let's make this Ghanaian chicken tomato stew with no oil. Let's get started. So these are the basic ingredients needed for this stew, and of course you do not see any oil here, right? So first of all, I like to go ahead and blend the spice mix, which is the ginger, garlic, onions and some peppers. I also added some anise seed as well. This is great for me to season my chicken. Also leave a little bit for the stew later on. So the chicken that I'm using is the hard one. It is very important. It has a good amount of oil that you can absorb from it. If you ever make light soup, we all get to know of the oil quantity that can float on top. So that's the trick here. So to that, I added some of the blended spices, some chicken bouillon, some salt, and just go ahead and mix everything very well together. Add a little bit of water and then cover it and allow this to cook on low to medium heat for the next 20 minutes. Okay, so on the other hand, we are going to make sure that the stew comes out really nice. So we are not using any extra oil. We make sure that the tomatoes is well cooked, because guess what, the tomato stew is always based on heavy usage of both the tomatoes and tomato paste as well. So it's very important that you make sure it is very well cooked. I also added some of the pepper, ginger and all that ingredient that I blended earlier on in here. Added a little bit of water, stir it gently together and allow this to cook. My goal is to make sure that I get rid of that sour taste from the tomatoes. So I'm going to gently cook that on the side for about 30 minutes. So while waiting for everything to get ready, I'm going to go ahead and check on that chicken very well once again and make sure I stir it. We are very much in love with the stock that we're going to have, so it's very important that we do not get the pot burned or anything like that. Okay, so I also added a little bit more of water, and now I'm going to now cover it and allow this to fully cook for the next 20 minutes. Make sure you are checking up on both the tomatoes and the chicken, and after a good 30 minutes, my chicken is very nicely cooked and it's very nice and tender. I added an extra 10 minutes just so that I get it very nice and tender. And so I'm not going to set it aside, and this right here is what we are looking forward to. That broth with that oil settling on top, exactly that we need to make this whole stew. So I'm going to go ahead and add my very nicely boiled tomatoes and make sure I mix everything together and just the beauty and the aroma that is coming out is just incredible, just like the tomato stew that you love to make all the time. Only that we are not going to be using no oil. We are using all the natural oils God gave us through our proteins. Okay, so it looks a little bit like soup right now, but don't worry. Just make sure you stir it, cover it, and allow it to cook on a low medium heat for an extra 30 minutes. While doing that, I'll just go ahead and throw the chicken on my oven pan and just throw it in my oven and make sure it comes out very nice and golden brown, and that will be ready for the stew. Just look at that. Never use any oil. You see the oil police? You're right, because we overconsume our oils, and this is a typical example. Please, let's be cautious of our health and the amount of oil that we consume on a daily basis as Africans or as Ghanaians in general. I never use no additional oil in this stew, but just look at the amount of oil settling on top right now. It's very, very shocking. So I also added some seasoning powders. I added some curry powder, nutmeg powder, and an extra chicken seasoning powder to it, and a bit of bay leaves. Cover this and allow it to just simmer around for another 10 minutes while you go ahead and check on your chicken. It's looking very nice and lovely, so you're going to drop them in one by one, and it looks absolutely perfect. Just so delicious. Just allow this chicken to marinate in this stew, and you're going to absolutely love it. That's how we made the very easy chicken stew with no oil. Chicken tomato stew with oil is the trick. You have to really try it. I promise you it tastes the same as you'd have used the plenty oils that we are used to. I went ahead to also go ahead and garnish it with a little bit more of onions and some spring onions and bell peppers as well. Your stew now is ready. Go ahead and serve yourself with some rice, some yam, or enjoy it on its own if you think you are that girl or that boy. Okay. Thank you so very much, family, for watching. I really appreciate your time. Please do not forget to give me a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and also if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please kindly subscribe to join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again, and as always, know that you're so beautiful just the way you are. I will see you in my next one. Have a blessed day.